Hello. I promised you that I would show you what I made out of Nicole's trash bin die. And like I said, it's way too pretty of a die to be called a trash bin. But anyway, this is what I made for a coworker. I filled it full of Hershey's Kisses, so it's a little bit too full for the lid to go on well without my having to play with it a little bit. There we go. But that's my fault because I filled it up with all kinds of goodies. Anyway, I love this die. So I made the die. Her finial is different than mine. Her finial comes up to a point. With mine, I just ended up putting in some of those horrible little staticky foam beads, and then I covered the top with Nuvo because this Nuvo worked perfectly with the purple in this paper. But then what I discovered was I wanted to have a pot of my own on my desk. I can't eat candy because I had had a gastric bypass. So I wanted something to put my Crystal Light packets in. And I love this, but I wanted to have just a little bit stronger top because, you know, people are going to be reaching in and grabbing my stuff. So what I did was I took the same die, I took the lid, and I just made this bottom part of the lid, and I glued it on top of my pot. And look, it is the perfect flower pot. I love this. It's gonna be great on my desk at work, and then I'm gonna put all my Crystal Light packets in there and all my drink packets. But not only that, not only did I discover that I can make a flower pot with this, if I don't fill this with those silly little bead things, it can go upside down, and it's really pretty. And so it can be a tray. It can hold your goodies and stuff, your pretties on it. You can put candy in it. You could put this wonderful fake moss and have it coming out and then do a floral arrangement in it. This moss is called reindeer moss. And it's light and airy, and you can just put it all over. Or you can put your pot in it, and then you can put little things around that. I notice you can't really see it so well. But anyway, that's what I did with Nicole's die. I love this die. I love all her dies. Oh my goodness. They're the best. If you haven't tried her dies, I would definitely give them a try because they're versatile. You can do different stuff with them. All right, have a good day. Bye.